Art fight is officially over. Here's some of my favorite attacks that I've made. Overall, I made 56. I made a few mass attacks, and some animated attacks as well. I made 2,496 points this year. I hope everyone had a fun art fight. I can't wait until next year. I miss it already.